In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view individual responses. Whether you're reviewing a single student's quiz, checking a specific customer's feedback, or simply verifying a particular entry, seeing one submission at a time in Google Forms helps you focus on the details without distractions. First, make sure you have your form open in Google Forms and that you're in the editor view, not just the preview. If you're looking at the questions you created, you're in the right place to begin. At the top center of the form editor, you'll see two main tabs, Questions and Responses. Click the Responses tab. This area is designed for reviewing what people have submitted, and you'll likely notice a count showing how many responses your form has received so far. Inside the Responses area, you'll see three subtabs laid out side by side: Summary, Question, and Individual. Summary gives you an overview with charts and aggregates, and Question lets you look at answers grouped by each question. For today, click the Individual subtab. This is where each submission is presented on its own, exactly as the respondent sent it, making it ideal for careful review or follow-up. At the top of the individual view, you'll find navigation controls. You can use the left and right arrows to move through submissions one by one, just like flipping pages in a book. You'll also see a small box showing the current response number, such as 1 of 25. If you know which entry you want, type that number directly into the box and press enter to jump straight to it. Each page shows the full set of answers from that single respondent, often including the timestamp and, if your form collected it, the respondent's email address. This layout makes it much easier to understand the context behind a specific set of answers. When you're viewing a response, you'll notice a couple of management options at the top. If you need a hard copy or a PDF for your records, click the print icon. This will open your standard print dialog so you can print or save as needed. If a submission is clearly a duplicate or doesn't belong, you can click the delete icon, represented by a trash can. Deleting removes that submission from your form's results and totals. Be cautious here, as removal is intended to be final, and only collaborators with editing access can manage responses this way. That's all there is to it. Open your form, head to Responses, switch to Individual, navigate with the arrows, or jump by number, and use Print or Delete when needed. This simple workflow makes targeted review quick and precise.